Good morning and welcome to day 30 of the truck build. I can't believe we came in under budget and on schedule is what I wish I was saying to you, but what a joke both of those things were. It's good to have goals, I guess. But it is day 30, we've still got quite a bit to do. First agenda today is finishing off the sturdiest shithouse in Australia. Get that clad on the outside, get all the screw holes filled, get everything sanded back, make it all look nice and pretty. On the inside, we've got to put the melamine or the acrylic wall sheets on here, seal it all up, repaint my roof because it copped an absolute flogging, and then put the glass door on this side as well. But that's on today's agenda. And then after that, to finish things off, Tom's got to finish off the waste plumbing. Gas is going to be the big hold up. Then we've got to do fridge, alley bed, overheads, shelf, kickboard and kickboard storage, clad and hang doors here. Turn this area into a deck and a bike rack. So yeah, not much. Really close to making our 30-day, 20 grand schedule. That's, completely achievable by the end of the day. Not really, but procrastinating won't help us get there any quicker. I think maybe a week and another couple of thousand, hopefully. But shall best crack on and start the day.